Show me a man, me a fit tall and turn up. Drink up me juice, cause I eat make me strong up. Belly it flat, and you know me no bang up. As me see the girl, them you know me a fit. Me no drink back juice or nothing in a buckle. Engine start, nobody turn down the chuckle. Be a chang girl, who good they a Sophie Huckle. Man a real warrior, me never lose no. Then I me green sing it in a me coconut juice. Greater me to my Ricky in a me coconut juice. Two molasses in a me coconut juice. Make us stay focused, number that thing too loose. Right chocolate in a me coconut juice. Greater me nothing egg in a me coconut juice. Then the aloe vera in a me coconut juice. I blend up it. Listen, me say in a the bed me and Miss Kitty and
greetings and salutations. Welcome back to Renee Rowena's channel. Today I have a special guest. Alright, and here Hugupungeh. Who remember Hugupungeh from Magnum, Kings and Queens of Dance?
West Side Power! When the Almighty coming on the hour, the dingy bangy bang. Hey, when the dingy bangy, watch out! Scatter now go talk about extension clip. Professor now go talk about big matic pop. If we now go talk about razor and ice break. Whiskey now go talk about no 3-star and check. When you have got food and never take your life, he only make your whole vibe. My gun and music, have you gonna hear the bass line? Y'all them a up, watch it, y'all them a wine. My gun and music, have you gonna hear the bass line? Y'all them a up, watch it, y'all them a. We just post a little wine for no fatty bum bum. And that's how we hear me alternate.
Today he will be featured on my channel and you guys will be able to check him out. So let's go over to Hugupungeh.
I mean, I say one love to the nation. See me, I say, you don't know it's all about Africa's glory. See me, I deal with. Yeah, we are deal with unity. Come together. See me, I deal with. Organize and centralize. Pool resources together. And build upon what our forefathers has left. You see me, I say, yeah, hey, to me I reason with myself and me alone against the whole of them. I talk about me mad. But them don't know within yourself. It's the better. And the best way to chat to Father God. Hey, how will we laugh up with myself? The hypocrites them all at our boss say we don't have no sense. But we not stop laughing off of them because we know say we magnificent. I mean I say one love. You see me I say, yeah man, say you don't know. We're in a challenge with there. And we just go on endorse. See me I say and we'll have vibes. Yeah. And you know, since Magnum, I mean, it's a lot of challenge. But you don't know. If you just keep focus and keep pushing, you know. You see me I say, because you don't know there are a lot of things out there for you achieve. You see me I say, and as Sizzler say, rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you. Yeah, yeah. You see me I say, so you know righteousness we are dealing with and them things there. So thou shall not steal unless your mother cook. You see me I say.
So how do people them can reach you? You have an Instagram?
Yeah, you can look on Amazon, you know, because I have a few tracks on Amazon. You see me I deal with. Yeah, and I look both to put out some videos same way. You see me I deal with. Because I shoot one video already on the track named Magazine Chemistry. Yeah, by Real Friends Record. See me I deal with. So you can look forward for that to see them way. See me I say? Yeah. Hey, show me a man, me a fit tall and turn up. Drink up me juice cause I eat make me chang up.
Yeah.
Belly it flat and you know me no bang up. As me see the girl, them you know me a fit turn up. Me no drink back juice or nothing in a buckle. Hands and start nobody turn down the chuckle. Be a chang girl who good there Sophie Huckle. Man a real warrior, me never lose now. When I be great from kitchen and me coconut juice.
Yeah. So yes, how you find your Instagram now? Hugupungeh?
Yeah, Hugupungeh music.
Alright, cool.
Yeah man. Hugupungeh.
Alright guys, you hear that? Hugupungeh. Alright, we out.
One love.
Yeah, me I say. Yeah, me the Jamaica. Yo. To me a reason with myself. And me alone against the whole of them. And tell me say me mad. When they go within yourself, it's the better. And the best way to chat to Father God. Hey. And when me laugh up with myself, the hypocrites them all that talk about say me don't got the sense. But me not stop laugh off of them, because me know say me magnificent. You have to really consider how them people are taught. Morning, noon and night, I mean name them and them. It's full them belly, quench them thirst like tongue. Professor and scatter, tap it off in the man. You know, she say Kitty love the madman. tail off of them like a frisbee. Them say, hold him officer. Him say, you're crazy. You know, see the situation look risky. You think me want me head to splatter like a gravy. Want me uno no catch him down the family. Lick him down and time up and then no call me. See me number ya. Ya hear me lady. 357770. I have cut them must think me a hero.
Nick, you come out in this competition, you choose your lane, and in your lane, no traffic, no in it. No traffic, no in it. So big up yourself on the melody, on the concept. Me never hear a song like that before, and trust me, a good thing my teeth white, I'm not a rotten teeth. You're bad. One are ready.